Hello guys, welcome back. We are looking at how to use Canva to create a business card. Canva is a free designing tool that's free for everyone, and you could log in. So first let's log in or sign up. So you can just go with Google, which I'll do now, but you can also use other things to sign up. So I'll just put my email, click on it, and then we'll be met with this page. You could do a lot of stuff on here. It says you could make a document and YouTube banner, thumbnail, but today we are trying to make a business card. So we'll just search up business card, enter, and then you'll be met with a bunch of templates. Choose one that you would like to use, but one thing I would say is that if it says paid, or if it says paid, it has like some pictures in it that you would have to pay for, like the premium, because there's a subscription on this website. But if you can take out those elements, you can use it for free. But if it has this crown right here, there's no way of making it free, so you'd have to pay for those. But the good thing is there's a lot of free templates. So just choose one you would like. I'm just choose this one. Just click on customize this template. And then you just like change these to your company number and website. So whatever your number is, you'll put in there. Then your logo you put in here. So you can if you have your logo downloaded on your computer, you can just go to uploads, like upload it from here, or if it's in your Google Drive or Dropbox, you can click on those to add your logo and put it on here, and then you could just change it to whatever you want. So let's say a Photoshop expert, or we could do some like designer. You could do anything or whatever applies to you. Then you could also like change the colors, which is also really nice. Like if you like red better, just click on these, make everything red if you like. I mean, there's a lot you can do with this, but let's say you want to start from scratch. What you'd have to do is click on file, click on create new design, and then write business card again. That would be met with white screen, and then you can start from scratch, or you can like choose from the templates like we just did. So let's say we have a landscaping company. I can search up lawn mower. Then we could add like, not that, the ones with the crown you have to pay a subscription to be able to use. So the one that looks nice, I'll just put in. This one looks good, but we need to change the background because you can't really see the bar here. Make it not black, just make it dark green. And then you could add text, add a heading. I chose landscaping. So it's not looking too professional, but if you know how to make it, if you're a creative person and know how to like design and stuff, you can definitely make it look better. This looks good. Make it text white, make it pop. And yeah, you can just customize and play around with it, or you can choose a template. But if you want to download this to send off to a printer so they can print it, or you can just click here print design, which Canva can do. Or if you know someone that could print it, you could like download it, and then you could send it to a printer, or you could pay Canva to ship it to you. Then you can like share. If you want other people to work on it, you can click this, and then you copy a link and send it to your partner or designer. And that is how you make a business card using Canva for free. Thank you for watching.